Massive clashes erupted in Gabbarpura village of Pulwama district of South Kashmir on Wednesday after funeral prayers of a civilian who succumbed to injuries earlier today. Huge number of people participated in the funeral prayers of Akil Ahmed Bhatt, a civilian who was killed in security forces action. The mourners, including men, women and children, resort to stone pelting at forces deployed outside the CRPF camp in Hal village to express their anger against the killing of a civilian. The forces resort to tear gas shelling to disperse the protesters, which triggered a pitched battle between the two sides lasted for several hours. But who had sustained a bullet injury after forces opened fire on protesters in Hakripura yesterday succumbed at Skims today morning. Meanwhile, a complete shutdown was observed in Pulwama district to mourn the militants and civilian killings. Two militants, Abu Dujana and Arif Lilhari, were killed in a gunfight in Hakripura village of the district yesterday. Besides, two civilians, including Bhatt, were killed after forces opened fire on protesters after the gunfight ended. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.